Welcome back to the DupliColor Garage. My name is Brian, and here at DupliColor, we offer you products to restore, restyle, and protect your vehicle in your garage. And since 1938, DupliColor has been the go-to brand for OEM-approved exact color match products to touch up your vehicle. Now, over 80 years, we've had many generations of packaging, from our glass jar from the very beginning, to our 2-in-1 touch-up tube, now to our Scratch Fix all-in-one that has everything you need to get the job done. Now for those larger damage areas, we have our perfect match for the perfect match to touch up your vehicle. Now there's a lot that goes on behind the scenes to ensure an OEM exact color match for your vehicle. So let's hop in the truck, head up to the Sherwin Williams R&D Center where the DupliColor Labs are located and find out how these are formulated to exactly match the color of your vehicle. All right, so we are on the way to the Sherwin Williams Automotive R&D Labs, which is where the DupliColor Labs are also housed. And Sherwin Williams owns the DupliColor brand, of course, as well as the automotive division. And the automotive division purpose is to service all of the Sherwin automotive stores and, of course, the body shops that use that paint. Now, the body shops that use the paint, they're gonna fix the fender, the door, whatever it might be when someone wrecks their car. So you have to, of course, have that exact color match. So we use that exact color match technology and leverage that into the DupliColor color matching process to ensure that when you apply the paint over top of your nick, scratch, or chip, that you have the exact color match that you need to fix your vehicle with DupliColor paint. Automotive finishes. This is the home of our R&D labs for DupliColor. We're going to step back, talk to the chemist, and find out how the exact color matches are made. So we're here at the DupliColor R&D lab where our color matchers Dave and Neil are hard at work matching colors for both DupliColor Aerosol Perfect Match and our Scratch Fix all-in-one pens. In addition to that, we also service the original equipment manufacturers. Now these guys receive about 100 standards on average for that next model year annually to match. So these guys are extremely busy matching these colors. Now we receive these color standards. We have a full library here, thousands of them. Like I said, direct from the OE manufacturer. We have a Ford color standard here. Now to ensure that our lab gets the exact color match for your vehicle, there's quite a process to make sure that our systems match this color. So the way it goes is, once we receive the standard in, they analyze the standard under the color eye, they find out what type of colors are in it, and also the type of metallic pigments as well. Once they have that figured out, we then go to our color bank, get those colors, mix it up, we do a spray out, we do a brush out, and then compare it to that original standard. Once we have that good color match that we feel confident, we then take those color matches and the standard, we mail it back to the OE manufacturer, they analyze it and they review it for approval. Once they approve it, they let us know that it's approved, then we know we have an exact color match to match your vehicle. So color matching is really only half of what the lab does here, because we also want to make sure that once the product is applied to your vehicle, that it's going to be durable and hold up to those weather conditions that your vehicle is subjected to each and every day. We have salt fog machines that cover corrosion, make sure that paint is going to hold up to that rust and moist environments. We also have UV machines that simulate sunlight beating down on that paint to ensure that it's not going to fade. All right, well that was really fun and informative, and I hope you learned something. So now that you know the entire process that we go through to ensure an exact color match, go ahead and grab the color code off of your vehicle, head to your local auto parts store, and pick up a can of Perfect Match for those large scratches, or Scratch Fix All-in-One for those smaller nicks and chips. Now, to find out more about our touch-up program and other great products from DupliColor, visit DupliColor.com. Now I gotta head back to the garage because I have a whole lot of work to do.